So the river's the border between South Carolina and Georgia. Check it out. Oh, look, some picnickers.
What?
Look down there, they're having a picnic. That's awesome.
Look down there, Mama, they're having a picnic.
Look, Georgia's over there, and we're standing in South Carolina. We're gonna spend the night here tonight. Not here, but in this state. Look at these butterflies. Hey, look at these butterflies, boys. We're gonna have to look them up, figure out the name of them.
What? Those are butterflies.
Yeah.
But we gotta look them up to see what.
They look kind of like monarchs, but they're not. They're beautiful. Gotta go.
What'd you guys find?
Tadpoles! I have doubt. Mama, you know the pond that has catfish in them? I see thousands of them. Look at all of them, Mama. Look over here.
I'm coming around. Goodness. Look at all of them. Keep your frogs.
What is up, guys? So today I'm telling you about all the states I've been going through. So I went to Arkansas, went to Georgia, and now we're actually heading to one of the states. I already forgot the state name, but we did Georgia, we did Arkansas, we did, I forgot one of them names. So I know we did to Arkansas and Georgia, but I didn't forget one. I forgot the middle state we did. To Arkansas and Georgia and my dad's socks back here. So yeah. And it is ouch. Look at my knee. These tip of these balls are steel, so that hurts so bad. Serious? Let's go.
Man, we're headed north on I-85 towards Gaffney, South Carolina. I think we're about to get wet. That thing ain't starting to twist, is it? Oh wow, it's getting dark. Giant peach over here in a thunderstorm. That's the biggest peach I've ever seen. Here you go, Callie. Can you hold this? I'm coming up on my turn. Karsten, did you see the giant peach?
It's a water tower.
Oh, it is a water tower. What a nifty idea. Oh, it kind of is. Look at that.
Did you see that peach? That was a big peach.
feel like it would make me
What are you doing, Gunner? What's Mama doing? She's editing again.
Yeah.
We're somewhere. I'm gonna get out of the RV and figure it out. She's talking to Sissy. Morning, Mama.
Good morning.
Yeah, it smells so good.
Morning, Gunner. Morning, baby car.
What is it? Look at this, Daddy. Ready? Ready?
There's Calvin. He sleeps no longer. I think he's a grown boy. Well, good morning, people. I'm gonna do this one by myself. Right there. Yeah, we're like right up here in Gaffney, South Carolina. And we're gonna go somewhere up here. I forgot the name of the town, but I'll look it up in a minute. But it's only a 2-hour drive. And we're going to KOA. We're gonna relax there all day. But yeah, we're in Gaffney, South Carolina. And I need to practice this just in case, you know, we don't get that Super V recovery or that V recovery. I think we're gonna have a Super V, but so let me practice. Good morning. Welcome to Wal-Mart. Yeah. I don't know if I want to be the Walmart greeter right now. Where's your mask, sir? Be like, somewhere right here in my pocket, I promise. Walk real fast. What I want to do, I want to be the Walmart greeter in a couple months. I want to say, take your mask off, man. Quit touching your face. That's nasty. And then the boys, maybe in another 6 months or so, the boys will be like, Dad, why is he wearing a mask? Well, because it's America, and he has that right to wear it if he wants to. That's what I'm ready for. What? Why are you looking at me like that? You want to know where we're going? We're going to Greensboro, North Carolina. You want to know how far a drive it is? 2 hours. All right, 2 hours.